There are so many templates out there. Do you really need to pay someone to help you with your landing page designs? Hey everyone, I'm Patel, and today I'm going to break down if you should design your own landing page from scratch or use templates. Which one sells more? Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification. When you design your landing page from scratch, you'll have higher costs. A few skills that are involved that you need when you're designing from scratch. One, you need a designer, a copywriter, a marketer, and a developer. In essence, 4 things. Now, if you can do them all yourselves, great. If not, you're going to have to hire out from. Load time and speed become harder to manage as you have to optimize everything. You have to compress your own images, optimize your code for load time and performance. A study on landing page conversion rates and site speed by Portland showed that website conversion rates dropped by an average of 4.42% with each additional second of load time between 0 seconds and 5 seconds. You'll also have to do a lot of A/B testing to figure out what's causing the best conversion rates and what elements on your landing pages are causing the conversion rates to drop. And chances are you're going to have greater odds of failure because there are a lot of small things that you need to do right. And that's what makes it really difficult when you're designing and creating your own landing pages. If you've done this so many times, you probably know what to do, but if you haven't done it many times, then you're gonna have to make a lot of changes and tweaks and constantly test. Now on the flip side, when you use landing page templates, most companies that offer templates offer ones that are battle tested. In other words, if you have a book that you're selling, they have book landing pages. If you have a SaaS product that you're selling, they have SaaS landing pages. And if you have a service-based business, they have service-based landing pages that other people have tested and they're tracking what's working, what's not. They'll look at the conversion rates from all the landing pages and see what improvements affect conversion rates and what improvements decrease conversion rates. You won't have to worry about load time as much, speed as much, or even image sizes. All you have to do is focus on the marketing side, which is driving traffic to your landing pages. Some platforms out there to check out that already have landing pages are Lead Pages, Unbounce, ClickFunnels, Instapage, HubSpot. Now, if you ask me, Neil, should I create a landing page from scratch or should I use a template? What we've typically found is if you're a new business, you haven't done much marketing, go with the landing page templates. Because if you do that, you'll know where to start and you're better off. But if you have a large company, you're doing millions and millions of dollars in revenue, heck, even millions in profits, and you've done marketing, you have your own marketing team, what I would recommend is you still look at the landing page templates, but you have your own team build it. What you're doing is you're looking to see what's working, and then you're doing your own customized version of it. That way, you're not starting from scratch, but then you're not using that quote-unquote generic template that everyone else is using, and it's a little bit more customized. So in essence, you would still use the templates whether you have a big business or a small business, but more so for the bigger businesses, you're still designing it from scratch, but using the template as more so of a starting point, so that way you know what to build that'll work versus having to run all these tests from scratch and worry about copy and all these elements that are going to just take forever to create from scratch. If you need help with your landing pages, your conversion optimizations, check out my ad agency, NP Digital, where we'll just do the marketing for you. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment below. I'm always here to help. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you for watching.